Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Riki Saputra and I will explain about how to teach my student with my learning media. And first is the topic of my learning media is talking about offer and suggestion, and the skill that I will teach the student is speaking. Okay, before I start the lesson, I will ask my student what which one of character will they choose as a fighter. Is it Menherakun or Menherachan? Because I want to integrate between playing game and study becomes one, so they will not feel boring during the class. Okay, because I'm the teacher, I will choose a Menherachan. Okay, start. Okay, next is I will ask my student, have they ever seen or experienced by themselves when someone is struggling with something? For the yes answer, raise their hand please. Because I want to teach speaking skill, so I will ask what kind of situation or what kind of problem they have that time. uh, and some with knob and forget it, so they can improve their speaking when I ask that question. Okay, next one is, this is just a game for fun. I will ask my student, if someone is asking what kind of answer they will have, or maybe they have another offer or another suggestion for this question. Okay, for this example, first one is, go outside and meet with friend, or sleep till 3 p.m. and do nothing. What kind of answer? What kind of what is they choose for this question? Maybe they have another suggestion like uh, go outside, but with not with not friend without a friend. Some like anime or reality, maybe they have another suggestion or offer. Don't mind the Menhera-chan, okay? It is just for the hiasan ya. Okay, next is, if someone is asking for when someone has a long talk and ask for advice, what kind of answer they will what kind of advice they have. Moreover, that person is your crush. Maybe when I ask about crush, maybe the my student will interested to this topic, because they want to be a good listener for the crush of, right. Of course, mm, the uh, offer and suggestion are needed when someone is looking for the advice. Okay, this one is example of accept and offer, because we teach a speaking skill, so I will ask two of my students and then practice the dialogue in front of the class. Okay, after that I will ask which one is given over and which one is accept over. Okay, as we know, over is saran, so the over one is, should I do you have a job, atau perlukah saya membantu setengah pekerjaanmu, is memberikan tawaran. And then, thank you so much Andi, I appreciate the help, is one of menerima tawaran. Okay, next one, accept of suggestion. I will ask another two of my students to practice the dialogue in front of the class. Okay, and then I will ask the same question, which one is given as suggestion and which one is answer the accept the suggestion. And then the summary of this topic is suggestion and offer are the stem of learning English about how to be a good person. How come? Here you are taught how to offer something and try to be a good listener. As I said before, maybe they have a crush. My student maybe they have the crush. Of course they want to be a good person or a good listener by giving a offer or suggestion, and then they can practice at their home doing given offer or suggestion. Okay, so and the last activities is giving a task and homework. For the task, I will ask my student to make a two dialogue, offer and suggestion, and show it in front of all the class with their seatmate. And for the homework, record their voice in dialogue with offer and suggestion material. They for more interesting, they can change the color voice between character. Okay, that's the explanation about how to teach my student with my learning media. Sorry for any mistake and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.